The 49 Special Deluxe. Really great driving car. I'm gonna get in the car. We'll go ahead and fire it up. Starts right up, and see, we've been driving about 10 minutes. We got working temperature gauge. The amps are working. The oil pressure, which you can see is good. The fuel tank. It has an aftermarket stereo that works, and it even has working blinkers and wipers. So we'll take it for a little spin here. The shifting's nice. The car's very quiet. These cars from this era were so quiet and smooth. Surprisingly rattle-free inside the car with the top up. Right now we're cruising about 40 miles an hour, getting up to 45, on to 50. I'm gonna slow down so I don't get another ticket. Just overall a really nice driving car. Check out all the photos, and if you have any questions, give me a call. I'm Don. I'm the owner of Left Coast Classics up here in the Northern California wine country. We're in Sonoma, and I'm going to get a bunch of really great photos for you, and let me know if you have any other questions. Okay, we'll take a little walk here under the Plymouth. You can see it's a very solid floors. It's got some, well, keep going out of focus. There we go. It's got some surface rust on things, but it's not rotted. The floors are quite nice. The frame's in good shape. So it looks pretty good under here. Looks good behind the rockers there. Boy, a good weekend with a wire brush under here would make all the difference. Nice quarters up here. You can see inside the quarter panels. Or fenders, I guess I should say. Good shape. Got a little bit of degradation. Oh, no, you don't. I think that's a water hole. So, yeah, just very nice under here then. No rot, just some expected surface rust. Very solid 49 Plymouth Special Deluxe convertible. All right, I always like to do this on the older ones just to kind of show you. Got a magnet. And it's just grabbing this thing with no problem. It's kind of a medium magnet, just to kind of see if there's any overt signs of filler. That's nice down that side. Let's come around the driver's side. I would suspect there's something in this car after this long, but not much, if any. Yeah, the magnet's grabbing it all around, so Nice body, solid.